I know that you're confused about contracts. I know because I was you a few years ago, but now I have done so many contracts with the creators that I work with that I put together this beautiful little list that you're going to screenshot and you'll know what the heck is going on. And also let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Here's number one that you're going to screenshot. Usage rights are the expectations of the paid and organic usage that the brand actually wants. Exclusivity is the brand requiring you to be exclusive to them. Payment terms, when the brand is expected to pay you. Payment method, how they're going to pay you. Cash, check, Venmo, direct deposit. And that ownership, are you giving away full ownership to the brand? Please don't, but make sure that is not in your contract. Under content ownership in your contract, it should say that the influencer is going to retain the ownership of the content. That's good. Okay, in part two of your screenshot, ready? Deliverables, that's the content that you're actually delivering to the brand. Timeline, those are dates that you need to know, like, for example, when you're expected to post or when you need to send analytics to the brand. Rate, obviously, how much they're paying you. And these are three things that I would suggest maybe adding in if you can. They're sometimes difficult to negotiate in, though. For example, a rush fee. A rush fee is if you are asked to create content in less than the industry standard 2 weeks, that you should be charging a rush fee for because you're rushing. A kill fee is if the brand decides to stop the agreement once you've both already signed and you've basically already started creating content. It's going to help you be compensated for the work that you've already done. Lastly, a virality clause. This is if your content goes viral. It basically gives you an additional fee or additional compensation per so many views. That one's really hard to negotiate in, but if it's in and it goes viral, you're great. If negotiating contracts scares and confuses you, Social Suite is the place to be because I actually will help you go through all of these and negotiate your contracts.